Hi there, students. Fervent, an adjective. Fervently, the adverb. Okay, so fervent describes something that you believe really strongly, really sincerely. Yeah? So it's a fervent belief or a fervent supporter. He's a fervent supporter of Manchester United. Yeah, he really strongly believes in them. Yeah, he's an ardent supporter. Yeah, he really strongly supports them. It's my fervent desire that this doesn't happen. Yeah, so I feel it with great intensity. Yeah, I feel it really strongly. So fervent, having or showing great emotion in something that you believe. Ardent or zealous. You could certainly say fervent zeal or fervent enthusiasm. Zeal is enthusiasm to do something. He fervently supports this plan of action. Intensely, passionately. Let's see, in the past, or maybe just about today really poetically, you could use fervent to mean extremely hot, glowing. But that sounds really poetic and nobody would really use that today. Fervent today, a strong supporter, a fervent admirer of his work. He's a fervent advocate for freedom of expression. He fervently believes that people should be allowed to express themselves freely. The monks were in fervent prayer all day. They prayed fervently. There were fervent protests about the opening of a new coal mine, because coal is bad for our environment, or certainly when we burn it. The fervent patriotism of the nationalists. Yeah, they feel this really, really intensely. They feel it passionately. Yeah, so fervent, ardent, earnest, enthusiastic, passionate. Yeah, excited, emotional. Yeah, intense, eager. Yeah, heartfelt. Yeah, vehement as well. Okay, so fervent, really strongly felt. You feel this and feel you hold this idea really strongly in your heart, and you're an ardent supporter of it. Okay, so let's see. What about formality? Fervent. This sounds pretty poetic, a bit poetic, and certainly a bit formal. I'm going to give it 6.5, 7, maybe even 7.5 in formality. I think informally, enthusiastic, persistent, zealous. No, zealous is too formal for an informal conversation, but enthusiastic, with enthusiasm. Yeah, strongly felt. And then what about the origin? Well, this comes to English through French from Latin again, from fervens, which comes from the verb fervere, meaning to boil, to ferment. Yeah, so yeah, if something's boiling, it's definitely fermenting. He feels boiling enthusiasm. He feels fervent enthusiasm for this project. Okay, I guess you're all pretty fervent students of English. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fervent, fervently.